This video guide is about removing the adware type application called DefaultProgram. DefaultProgram as adware may display a lot of intrusive advertisements. Instead of helping people, this application simply distracts them from things that are really important. DefaultProgram adware shows a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. So DefaultProgram is not the application that you need to have on your computer. In case you have found its presence on your Mac, check your applications through your Finder, locate this program, right-click on it and move it to the trash. Finally, I recommend you to research the computer with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching the system. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.